Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you how to use the NixOS package manager that is the same as the NixOS configuration file where everything is written to configure the system. It is located at etc NixOS configuration.nix. Run name. Here it is the full configuration of the system, for example the bootloader, the system hostname, networking, time zone, keyboard, language, H11 fallback window in system, GNOME desktop environment, GDM login manager, keymap, sound and printer service, user, allow packages with non-free license such as NVIDIA drivers maybe, and here the packages, environment packages. Here we can add the new package, for example htop. We save, we type the command NixOS rebuild switch. In this way there will be a new system snapshot where our package is installed. Then we reboot the system and we go to the next snapshot where we have htop installed. NixOS rebuild switch. After that we will reboot the system and it will be the next snapshot. Reboot the system. As you can see here, this is the new snapshot where we have installed our new htop package. But if when install new packages you have problems, you can always roll back to the previous release and update again after some time when the bug will be fixed. In this way you will take the new path and you will forget the error that was in the package. Now we will see that the package htop is present in our installation. The package is present. If you want to remove the package, return to the configuration file and delete the package from the packages section in NixOS configuration file. Here delete the package, save, NixOS rebuild switch. Now we will create a third snapshot because we removed this package. Reboot the system. We see a third one. The first generation is at the beginning when I started up the virtual machine where I didn't have HTOP installed. Generation 2 is after I installed HTOP. As we see, HTOP was present. Now we go to generation 3 because I made the change in the configuration file because I removed HTOP. If we boot into generation 3, HTOP package should not be present anymore because we deleted that from the configuration file. HTOP command not found because we removed it from the configuration file, and this is how to install and uninstall packages in NixOS. Another little thing, how to upgrade the system. Very simple, to command sudo nix channel update, and then also NixOS rebuild switch double upgrade. Here it is updating our channel, the stable channel, because it is the default one. If you want, you can also upgrade to the unstable development channel if you want newer packages. Now let's write the second command. NixOS rebuild switch upgrade. And now we upgraded the system to the newest version of NixOS. After reboot again and the upgrade will be completed. it is upgrading the system. Now reboot to the newest version after the system upgrade generation 4. As you can see, kernel .56 instead of .55 because we upgraded the system, not just the packages. Here I will show you the new kernel version. .56 because we upgraded the system, and this was how to use the package manager in NixOS. See you later, guys.